Hello everyone, welcome back to Take It Simple. Today I'll be guiding you through how you can turn on and off active status on Instagram. If you've recently checked out of your Instagram account, then the functionality will inform all the users the time when you were lost active, if you don't want to broadcast. When you are online in real time, then you have an option to turn off your activity status. To do so, follow the steps before proceeding further. If you are not subscribed to our channel yet, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Start by tapping open Instagram application. Once you're done, from your home screen tap on your profile picture at the bottom right corner. Now from your profile page, tap on the menu bar at the upper right corner. An expanded menu will appear, where you can tap on the settings button at the bottom of the screen. And once you do that, under settings tap on privacy. From this menu under interactions, tap on activity status. By default the show activity status is turned on. You'll need to toggle it off in order to turn it off. Now after the button is turned off, you won't be able to see the activity status of other accounts as well. After you do that, other contacts won't be able to see when you were lost online on Instagram. That is how you can turn on, off your active status on Instagram. If you want to turn it back in, simply follow the same steps and go to privacy under settings and scroll all the way down. And tap on activity stages to enable the button. Simply tap on it, and there you go. That is how you can do. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.